In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to build a table square from TrueFocusLaser.com. These table squares are great if you're building repeatable parts that need a 90-degree angle. They've got all these holes so you can fix your parts directly to the table square, and you can clamp the square to the table itself. And these slots allow you to slide the table in and out to really fine-tune your dimensions. Overall, these are great to have in the shop and a really awesome value since they're pretty affordable and super easy to put together. These table squares come as a flat, so you'll need to assemble them, but they're super easy. All you need is a welder and 3 of these clamps. These pieces all have these little tabs that lock into each other and keep everything nice and flat. So clamping super tight is really important, and make sure you have no gaps anywhere throughout the square. So I'm just gonna loosely fit these together, and then I'm gonna grab a couple of my clamps. And all I'm really trying to do when I'm clamping is just clamp each side together, and then whatever face I'm gonna weld on, I wanna clamp that tight. So I have 2 clamps on either side and 1 holding it all together. So I'll just check for gaps on these 2 outer corners, make sure there's no gaps, and then I can add 3 or 4 tacks along this plate. I've got the bottom face tacked up so I can pull my clamps off. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side face. We've got all of our tacks finished, so we'll pull our clamps off and then we can fully weld this. Just some short welds, like 1 inch long every 6 inches is plenty for this square. Overall, these were super quick to build, only took about 10 minutes a piece. They're really affordable and they're really useful in my shop. They come in handy for all kinds of different projects. These squares are offered in an 8-inch by 8-inch, 12-inch by 12-inch, and up to 16 by 8. These are great for any application, so grab yourself a couple on TrueFocusLaser.com. If you found this video useful, please leave a like below and we will see you in the next one.